Ever struggle with cooking multiple dishes at once? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best double oven electric ranges that make meal prep effortless and stress-free. Stay tuned to see which models are worth it, and grab them easily through the links in the description. At number 5 is ZLINE Autograph Edition. Ever wondered if one range could completely transform your kitchen experience? The ZLINE Autograph Edition might just be the answer. Struggling with uneven baking or juggling multiple dishes? Its dual electric ovens tackle that problem effortlessly, while the 8 Italian-made gas burners with auto reignition bring precise control and safety to every meal. Fast preheating and consistent convection baking save time and stress, making meal prep smoother than ever. The elegant polished gold knobs and handles aren't just stylish, they elevate your kitchen's entire look, giving a luxury feel without the luxury price. Compared to other ranges on the list, this one combines performance, safety, and real-world comfort seamlessly. Yes, it's an investment, but for anyone serious about cooking efficiency and peace of mind, the ZLINE Autograph Edition is a smart, reliable, and truly satisfying choice you won't regret. At number 4 is Forno Galiano. Did you know that uneven cooking and juggling multiple dishes frustrates even experienced home chefs? The Forno Galiano changes the game completely. With dual ovens, one 4.32 cubic feet, the other 2.26, meal prep becomes effortless, letting you bake, broil, and roast simultaneously with precision. Its 8 Italian brass burners deliver up to 107,000 BTUs, from delicate simmering to high heat searing, while automatic ignition and reignition add safety and convenience. True European convection ensures even cooking, and the 3-layer glass oven windows let you monitor progress without opening doors. Heavy-duty stainless steel construction and easy clean surfaces make maintenance stress-free. Compared to other ranges on our list, it combines power, versatility, and durability like few others. For serious cooks craving efficiency, safety, and professional-grade performance, this range is a smart, reliable investment that delivers peace of mind and culinary freedom. On number 3 is the Rangaire 30-inch. Ever wondered how professional chefs manage flawless meals at home? The Rangaire 30-inch double wall might just be the secret. Struggling with uneven baking or overcooked meats? Its true air convection system ensures hot air circulates perfectly, giving crispy, golden crusts and juicy interiors every time. With multiple cooking modes including air fry and keep warm, you can roast, bake, and broil with precision, while the Tempsure digital meat probe guarantees perfectly cooked meats without the guesswork. Compared to other ranges on the top 5 list, this oven stands out for convenience and smart technology. Sleek glass touch controls and a self-cleaning feature add effortless style and maintenance ease, giving peace of mind and saving time. For home chefs who value precision, efficiency, and modern design, this is a smart, reliable investment that elevates every meal. At number 2 is KoolMore 30-inch. Did you know the right oven can cut cooking time while making every dish taste better? The KoolMore 30-inch double wall oven proves it. With 2 independent ovens, you can roast in one and bake in the other, solving the age-old problem of juggling multiple meals. Its rapid convection system ensures even heat from top to bottom, giving you perfectly cooked food without the frustration of hot spots. Compared to other models in the top 5 double oven electric range lineup, this one shines for versatility, offering baking, broiling, warming, and proofing modes that deliver real-world cooking comfort. The sleek flush mount design doesn't just save space, it transforms your kitchen with a modern, built-in look. While it may require proper installation, the payoff is efficiency, style, and peace of mind. For families or entertainers, this is a smart upgrade worth considering. Now moving to the last one is ZLINE 48-inch. Imagine cooking a full holiday feast without stress, roasting in one oven while baking in the other, all with precise, even heat. That's the power of the ZLINE 48-inch dual-fuel range. With 8 Italian-made burners that automatically reignite for safety, it takes away the worry of flame outs while delivering high-performance control. The dual electric ovens heat quickly, using convection technology to guarantee consistency from top to bottom. The horizon windows let you check progress without losing heat, a small detail that makes a big difference. Compared to others in the top 5 double oven electric range lineup, this model shines for its size and flexibility, especially with its elegant white matte doors that elevate any kitchen design. Yes, it's large and requires space, but if you cook for family or love entertaining, this range feels less like an appliance and more like peace of mind. If I had to crown a winner, it's the ZLINE 48-inch. Here's why. It balances raw cooking power with refined design, offering dual electric ovens and 8 Italian-made burners for unmatched versatility. Fast preheating, convection precision, and auto reignition bring both safety and performance. Unlike smaller models, it handles big family meals or dinner parties with ease. Plus, its elegant white matte doors elevate your kitchen style. If you want reliability, luxury, and professional-grade efficiency in one package, this is the smart choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best double oven electric range. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.